Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use your phone as remote for your Google TV, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. And so from your phone, you want to head over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone, and then click on the search icon at the bottom, then enter this input field at the top. You want to go ahead and search for the Google Home app. Proceed to type Google Home. And this is basically the app we want, so you want to just make sure you select this app, then click on the install button to get the app into your iPhone or Android phone. Once the Google Home app is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. The setup process for this app is quite simple. You just have to give it all of the permission and then follow the on-screen instructions. So click on the get started button. If you're using the app for the first time, you might be required to sign into your Google account, but then just follow all of the on-screen instructions, give it all of the permission it requires. This is my account. Click on OK, click on next, and then sometimes you'll be required to turn on Bluetooth as well. Make sure you turn on the Bluetooth as well. And basically this is how the homepage of the application looks like, just like so. And at this point, before you proceed with anything, you want to make sure that both your phone and your Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. If you do not have the remote control of your Google TV to connect it to a Wi-Fi network, I have a separate tutorial that would guide you on how to connect any TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control. And I'm going to be leaving a link to that in the description of this video. Once you're able to connect your Google TV to Wi-Fi or hotspot network that is the same as your phone, you want to just click on this box icon at the top close to the favorites icon. So this is actually the devices tab. You just want to go ahead and click on this box icon over here, and from over here you should be able to find all of the devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone, that is including your Google TV over here. Now you can see here that I have a living room TV, which is actually the name of my Google TV. So once I select it, I should be able to find the remote option, which is the open remote option over here. If you do not find the open remote option in your own case, then it simply means that your Google TV is most likely a local device, so you would have to sign into the same account that is signed in on your Google TV inside of the Google Home app. Once you do that, and then you're able to find the remote control option over here, just go ahead and tap on it, and now you should enter the code on your Google TV inside of this input field. Once you're done, click on the pair button over here, and automatically now you have this nice looking remote control that you can now use to navigate through your Google TV without any problem. If you do not like the navigation style of this, you can just click on the three dot icon at the top, click on D-pad, and now you can as well use your phone as a remote for your Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.